Welcome back to our channel, Glamour Guru. Everybody is looking for that radiant, glowing skin without splurging on expensive products. Imagine achieving that luminous glow with something as simple and accessible as rice. Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm sharing a secret beauty ingredient that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now: rice. This humble grain is not just a staple in your diet, but also a powerhouse for your skin. Yes, rice isn't just for eating, it's a game changer for your skincare routine. From ancient times, rice has been revered for its beauty benefits, and today we're bringing that tradition back. Let's dive into two easy DIY methods: a rice scrub and a rice mask. These simple recipes will help you unlock the full potential of rice for your skin. First up, the rice scrub. This scrub is perfect for exfoliating dead skin cells and revealing a fresh, glowing complexion. You'll need just 3 ingredients: rice, honey, and milk. These ingredients are not only effective, but also gentle on your skin. Start by taking half a cup of uncooked rice and grinding it into a fine powder. You can use a coffee grinder or a mortar and pestle for this. Make sure it's not too coarse. You want it to gently exfoliate your skin, not irritate it. The finer the powder, the better it will work. Next, mix 2 tablespoons of this rice powder with 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of milk. This combination creates a nourishing and effective scrub. Honey is a natural humectant that keeps your skin hydrated, while milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens your complexion. Together, they make a powerful duo. Apply this mixture to your face and gently scrub in circular motions for about 2-3 minutes. This helps to stimulate blood circulation and remove dead skin cells. Focus on areas prone to blackheads and dry patches. These areas often need extra attention to stay smooth and clear. Then, rinse it off with lukewarm water. This will help to remove any residue and leave your skin feeling fresh. You'll notice softer, smoother skin immediately. The rice scrub works wonders in just 1 use. Now let's talk about the rice mask. This mask is perfect for brightening and tightening your skin, giving you a youthful glow. This mask is perfect for brightening and tightening your skin. It's like a mini facial at home. You'll need rice flour, water, and a little bit of aloe vera gel. These ingredients are easy to find and highly effective. Take 2 tablespoons of rice flour and mix it with enough water to form a smooth paste. The consistency should be just right to spread easily on your skin. Add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel to the mixture. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for calming any redness or irritation. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for calming any redness or irritation. It also helps to hydrate and heal the skin. Apply this mask evenly on your face, avoiding the eye area. Make sure to cover all areas for an even treatment. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes. This allows the ingredients to penetrate your skin and work their magic. As the mask dries, you'll feel it tightening your skin. This is the rice flour working its magic. It helps to firm and lift your skin. Once it's dry, rinse it off with cool water and pat your face dry. This will help to close your pores and leave your skin feeling refreshed. With regular use, you'll see a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and tone. Your skin will look brighter, smoother, and more even. Rice is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. Remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you use these treatments, the better your results will be. Incorporate these DIY rice treatments into your weekly routine and watch your skin transform. Thanks for tuning in. Your skin will thank you for the extra care and attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Until next time, stay radiant and keep glowing. Embrace the natural beauty secrets and let your skin shine. Subscribe, like, and share.